Today I'm going to teach you how to set title, keywords, subject, author, and language in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to add metadata to your PDF files, making them easier to organize, search, and identify. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your PDF files and tools. From here, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've worked on recently, making it quick and easy to locate the document you need. Go ahead and select the PDF file you want to add metadata to. With your file open, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here you'll find a menu option. Click on Menu, and from the drop-down that appears, select Document Properties. This is where all the magic happens, as Document Properties is the hub for editing your PDF's metadata, including title, author, subject, and more. Once the Document Properties window opens, you'll see several fields where you can input information. Start by navigating to the title field. You'll notice a text field right beside it. Click into that field and type your preferred title. This title will help you and others quickly identify what the document is about when browsing through files. Next, move down to the author field. Just like with the title, there's a text field right beside it. Click into this field and type the author's name. Adding an author helps establish ownership and credibility for the document, especially if it's going to be shared or distributed. Now navigate to the subject field. Click into the text field beside it and type your subject. The subject provides a brief description or category for your PDF, which can be especially helpful when organizing large collections of documents. After that, find the keywords field and click into the text field beside it. Type your keywords here. Keywords are essential for search functionality, allowing you to locate this PDF quickly when searching through multiple files or databases. Once you've filled in those details, click on the Advanced tab in the top toolbar. This tab contains additional settings for your document. Navigate to the language option and click the drop-down menu beside it. From here, select your preferred language. Setting the language ensures that screen readers and accessibility tools can properly interpret the document. When you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, click OK. This confirms and saves all the metadata changes you've made to your document properties. Finally, in the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button. This ensures that all your metadata updates are permanently stored with the PDF file. And that's it. You've successfully set the title, keywords, subject, author, and language in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.